So, what's up traders? Welcome in this last video of this order flow module. In this last video of this order flow module, I will show you my approach to market with order flow. So you will basically get good understanding how to use all of those things you just learned. I will show you two types of setups which I personally use and which I personally trade. Which one of them is called absorption and the second one is called continuation. Absorption is a reversal pattern, so you will basically trade off of the key level, and continuation is basically continuation type of setup, so we'll basically trade through key level, breakout, etc. But before we dive straight to absorption, I will show you my little secret, which is something which I don't share anywhere, but just here in this called masterclass, and I call this concept participants versus price. And this is something which I use basically 100% of the time, and without this concept, I basically don't click sell or buy button at all. Basically, I don't trade. So, because it's really important for me and it's really crucial for my strategy, I would like to share with you this concept right now. So, pay attention. The concept itself is really simple. It's nothing complicated, but it's really powerful and it can give you a really nice edge. It's all about one candle. Concept called participants versus price. So what does it mean? Well, basically, if you see a lot of aggression, for example, you see a lot of aggressive buying, but the imbalances, buying imbalances, are basically trapped inside of the wick of the candle. It's basically reaction of the price on those aggressive buyers. And when you see that price is basically rotate back to the downside and not continuing higher, it means that the price is not accepted here, where's the buyers, and it's strong indication of reversal in the market. And same applies to the opposite move. When you see a lot of aggressive selling in the bottom of the candle in the wick, but the price rotates to the upside with a lot of volume, it's basically reaction of the price on those aggressive sellers. Because when price didn't do what it's supposed to do, even though there's aggressive sellers at the market, it's indication of strong reversal. A really powerful thing which you can combine with this concept is trapped value area. So when you basically see selling imbalances inside of wick, lower wick of the candle, with value area, which is also in the lower part of the wick of the candle, you can expect really nice reversal soon. And same applies for bearish reversal. So when you see strong buying activity, strong buying imbalances inside of the upper wick of the candle with trapped value area, you can expect some reversal to the downside soon. And this type of concept is something which I basically look for when is price at some key level. So basically when I want to trade absorption, which is a reversal pattern, I basically look for this specific candles. When I have some key level and there's not this type of candle or candles, it's a great sign for me that okay, at this level, at this specific key level, there's not such a strong counter side. So this level will be broken and we can trade continuation. So breakout of this key level. But when I see this type of candles at specific key level, I want to trade basically reversal off of this key level. Because this candle basically tells me that okay, there is strong counter side and there is someone who is willing to basically push price off of this key level and reverse the trend of the market. And this is something which you can reach only and only with order flow. That's why I left this concept for the last video of this order flow module. Because for this concept, you need to know what is imbalances, what is value area, what is wick, what is open and close price, and basically everything what you just learned in previous lectures. So now we can dive to order flow setups. We will start with the first one called absorption, and I will show you this concept in live action. Let's move on.